Okay, here's how I meal prep celery. So first I take a slightly dampened paper towel and I place this underneath my cutting board. This helps keep my cutting board from sliding around. It kind of makes it nice and grippy. Then I take a 8-inch chef's knife like this one. This is my Wusthof 8-inch chef knife. I'll share a link to this below for how to purchase this on Amazon. Then what I do is I take the celery like this. I use my claw, this hand like this. I don't cut like this, okay? You always tuck your fingers in so that you use what's called the claw. And then I hold the celery down. I slice off the bottom about this much. Basically, I slice off whatever I don't want to eat. So I'm going to discard this, or you can use this to make vegetable stock or even juice this, but usually this has a lot of dirt in it, so I just kind of discard that. Then I open up all the celery like this, and I remove any parts that I don't want to eat. This also can be used for vegetable stock, but if I'm using this for crudité vegetables, like raw vegetables for dipping in hummus, I want to get rid of any pieces that I don't want to actually eat raw. Then what I do is I line up all the pieces like this. I take my knife and then I cut them into easy sizes of celery for dipping and eating. I'm going to discard this one because it's a little yucky looking. Then I'm going to cut any pieces like this that have these leaves. Same with this one. Okay, and then I go again and I do another section. So then I basically break the celery into 3 sections. Now, these are all still kind of dirty, so at this point is when I wash the celery. I don't try and wash it before I've cut it because, look there's just a lot of dirt that accumulates in the celery. So let's take this over to my washing bowl and I'll show you how I wash the celery. Okay, I really enjoy washing my produce with this grapefruit seed extract. This is just a liquid concentrate that you can purchase on Amazon. I'll share the link below in the description. I basically put about 10 drops of this into a large bowl. And then I fill the bowl with some water. I do like to use filtered water for this. And I place the celery into the bowl. Okay, and then I just swish it around, and that grapefruit seed extract really helps to get the dirt off of the celery. Okay, I just kind of swish it around and make sure that all the dirt has been removed. And then you could rinse it one more time to make sure that there's no excess dirt, but that's it. You can also go through and chop off any of the bottoms that look kind of gross like that, but usually I'll just stop. I just won't do that and I'll just not eat that part. But if you want it to look perfectly pretty, you can chop off the bottoms too. All right, and that's how I meal prep celery.